He is kind of slow on the uptake, isn't he, brother?
Brother? Rocks of the Forbidden Five?
You let the ninja get the blade?
They already had it. I couldn't.
Fail me again, and the Forbidden Five will be the Forbidden Four.
And who might you be?
I am Rox, of the Forbidden Five.
Never heard of you.
Do not worry. Soon the entire world will cower at the sound of my name. What you call evil, we know is strength. And what was done to your people, done across the wilderness, will soon be done to every realm of creation.